Hula vlog day 11. Today we are off to a factory outlet that's past Pearl City. So we booked a tour bus, so they're going to drive us over there, which is pretty cool. I think that's the easiest way to do it, and it wasn't expensive at all. So we're going to be doing that all day, but across from the factory outlet is some other shops as well, just some normal shops. So we're going to check that out. And do you like my new sunnies? I got them from Forever 21 last night. They're like kind of retro. I love them. Not everyone's cup of tea, but I like them. This is the marina down here. I think it's Alawai Marina. Pretty sure that's what the bus driver said today. Sorry if I'm wrong. But it's really pretty, and it would have been a gorgeous sunset.
Yeah, the marina down there is where Gilligan's Island introduction was filmed.
Yeah.
Just way down in the end there.
Yeah. So this is a cute little area we found that was next to our hotel. It's really cute. I don't know if you can see, you probably can't. But in the trees there are like cut off bottles hanging, and they've got little candles inside them. I'll show you closer. See that? Isn't that cute? It's very effective. Holy, these are so loud. It's echoing through all of the buildings. Car alarms are going off? Car alarms are going off.
Crazy.
Holy crap. Don't tell me that's it.
Oh no, they're lighting more.
Wow, so pretty.
Wow, that's the most insane.
Come on, aloha!
Oh, thank you.
That dude is crazy. You guys probably can't see, but there are like at least 1,000 people on this beach at the lagoon watching the fireworks. Crazy!
People everywhere.
Everywhere! You can't see Jim because it's so dark.
When you are blue, where they may be, on land or on the sea, for you love me to remember me.
These are what those trees look like now that had the bottles with candles in them at night. Looks super pretty. Here's the harbour. It's pretty dark. There's a plane, which you can't see. Oh, there we go. Apparently had to change their normal route the direction that they come in to the airport today because of bad winds, which is very abnormal for Honolulu. Here's Timothy taking some video of the awesome plane. These are pretty cool. Hey Tim.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cars. Lots of people exiting after watching the fireworks.
This is just outside the lobby of our hotel. It's about 8 o'clock at night. There's the elevator that goes up to the restaurant on top of our hotel. All the way up there. Yeah.
The lift going up or down.
You want to catch the lift?
Yeah, like as in, oh, here it goes.
Oh.
Here it goes, here it goes.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Up and up it goes. There's about 29 levels in this building, is it? It's not that high really, but it looks massive. And of course it's a glass walled lift so you can see out as you're going up and down. This is the walkway into our hotel. You can either go that way or you can go this way. This is into the lobby. And there's my beautiful wife. She's filming me and I'm filming her.
Arizona Memorial. It's very cool.
That's where the oil's coming out.
Yeah, there's oil still leaking from the Arizona